skies, the trees. I have a feeling for nature. It arouses such a passion in me that I can't help but write. But I'm not just a painter of landscapes. I'm a citizen too. I love my country and its people. As a writer, I feel I have a duty to write about the people, their sufferings, their future, about science and the rights of man, and so on and so forth. And I write about everything. Always in a hurry, driven on. Criticized from all sides. I rush from side to side like a fox with the hounds at its heels. I see life and science forging further and further ahead, while I fall farther and farther behind like a peasant who's just missed his train. And in the end, I feel I can only write landscapes. And everything else is false. False to the very core.
You're overworked. You don't have time to recognize your own importance. Not that you'd want to. You may not be satisfied with yourself, but to others, you're great, wonderful. If I were a writer like you, I would give my whole life to the public. But I know they could only be happy rising to my level, and they'd draw me along in a chariot.
In a chariot? What am I, Agamemnon?
I'd endure anything for the joy of being a writer or an actress. I'd let my family disown me. I'd face poverty and disappointment. I'd live in a garret and eat black bread. I would suffer from knowing my own limitations, but in return for all that, I would demand fame. Real, resounding fame. Oh, my head's spinning. Oof.
Boris Alexeyevich!
They're calling me to pack, I suppose. I don't feel like leaving. Look, what a paradise. It's wonderful.
You see that estate on the far shore?
Yes?
It belonged to my mother. I was born there. I've lived all my life on this lake. I know every island on it.
It's a lovely place. What's this?
A seagull. Constantine shot it.
Beautiful bird. Really, I don't feel like leaving. Try and persuade Irina Nikolaevna to stay.
What are you writing?
Just a note. Had an idea. An idea for a short story. A young woman like yourself has lived all her life by the lake. She loves the lake like a seagull. And she's free and happy like a seagull. But a man happens along, sees her, and out of nothing better to do, destroys her like this seagull.
Boris Alexeyevich, where are you?
I'm coming. What is it?
We're staying.
It's a dream.